gotta be hungry.
There he is. He's back. He's back. There's a decent one. He's back.
Well, the screen's lit up. So that's a good sign. Now we can just get a bite. Ooh, look at that screen. Somebody's got to be hungry. Somebody's got to be hungry. Look at that screen. Water temps are 79. A little larger. Hey, there we go. Not too bad. Yep. Finally. There we go. There we go. What do we got? Oh, he's fighting good. Hey, all right. Well, good morning, guys, and welcome to Lake X. Gotta love that. Nice little drop shotter. Awesome. So I'm out here at Lake X. It's a small little lake I found on a road map probably 25 years ago, and used to bank fish this, and for years I've always wanted to put a kayak in here. Now I got my kayak and I'm doing pretty good. Not as great as I expected, but there is a lot of pressure. I'm starting to see people show up everywhere, so I think Google Maps had a lot to do with that. But see if we get another one. What I'm gonna do now is anchor up over here. Let's see if there's anybody hiding in around here. Oh, there's a bite. Let's see what happened there. Still got our wormy. So let's give it another shot. Ooh. Come on. Ooh, that felt good too. Man, that felt good. Come on. That felt good. Rip the tail clean off, my boy. All right. Let's try one of these guys. Put a little bit of scent on there. Try dropping one of these little drop shot specials on hop, see how we do. A little bit of go-go juice. Let's give it a whirl. There we go. Oh. Oh, maybe. Yep, there he is. He's back, he's back. There's a decent one. He's back. Came back and took it. Nice. Hey, all right. Another one on the drop shot. Picked it up and then he spit it and came back for more. I love it. Come on, dude. Oh, he's hooked pretty good. I want to get the pliers on this one. Come on, little fella. Nice one on the drop shot. Well, guys, I'm going to call it a day. Unfortunately, it was a dink fest, but hey, it's better than not getting anything. So I just want to say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.